Okay, so welcome back to this ChatGPT for SEO, and I hope that you're enjoying my sessions and you started taking action. So make sure that whatever things I'm teaching it to you, just try all this prompt. You're in ChatGPT. It's good if you can use ChatGPT 4 by paying $20 a month. This is again very important, right? So what you want to do is we'll be start writing a blog. Let's say, for example, I want to write a blog. Let's say write a blog. Let's say I want to write a blog on how ChatGPT can help in search and optimization. So let's say I'm write a blog on following let's say following topic, which is let's say how chat gpt can help in SEO. Fine. And then what I'm going to do is keep this in mind. Following topic, I'm going to have some blog rules, tool for SEO, how ChatGPT can help in search and optimization. So what I recommend is, right, let's say blog rules, and these are my blog rules. So what is my first blog rule is, okay, so I'll be putting a blog rules as well, which is write a blog on following topic, how ChatGPT can help in SEO. I should have some blog rules, and there's gonna be my some blog rules. So blog rules to follow, because it's a generic, so when I give this content, ChatGPT is writing, how ChatGPT can help in search and optimization. So I've not given any rule, but you see I'm getting content which is content creation optimization, meta description, title tags. So ChatGPT can help you to create descriptions, title, long tail keyword updates, semantic SEO, backlink outreach, monitor. A lot of things can be done. Now, in order to make it more productive, so I'm going to have some blog rules. So these are my blog rules. Number one is it should start with a question. Start with a question. Should start with a question. Number two is all headers. Let's say all headers should be a sub question. So all headers should be sub questions. Rule number three is each header. Rule number three is each header. So I'm going to write each header should be answered in a paragraph. Should be answered in a paragraph. So what I want is I want to write headlines and then answers in a paragraph. And point number four is, which is content should be at least 1200 words. And then I'm also going to write, let's say content should be optimized with images, alt text. So let's say I'm writing content and should be optimized with images and alt text. The next is generate NLP. So the point is, what I want to generate NLP, which is natural language processing. So this is how people search, right? So when people search, they put very relevant keywords, right? So we call it NLP. NLP is very important when it comes to ranking on Google search engine, because that's how Google understand what your content is all about, right? Because it should match with new natural language processing. So let's say generate NLP friendly content. Fine. So this is gonna be my rule. These are my 6 very important pointers. You can make a note of it. And what I'll do is I'll go here. So what I'm gonna do is write a blog. So I can also write blog rules as well. I can ask ChatGPT to rewrite content as well. This can be done. This is gonna be my blog rules. So let's say now you can see. So what we're gonna do is we want to look into two different content, which is, first of all, I just asked ChatGPT to write a blog on following topic, but now I'm very specific. I'm looking for start with the question on headers. Headers should be sub questions. Each header should be answered in a paragraph. Content should be at least 1200. Content should be optimized with images and alt tag, and generate NLP friendly content. So let us see this. So let's say nice. Generate NLP. So okay, click on. So let's say now you can see that. So I'm looking for to start with a question. So I'm getting some ideas. You can see that how ChatGPT in crafting high quality content. You can see. So what I want is I want all headers to be questions, and I want to have answers. So they're giving me meta tags and titles are crucial elements. Fine, you can see that this looks nice. So I'm also talking about NLP keywords, which is really very important. So the point is, I'm asking ChatGPT to use NLP words as well. How ChatGPT can help, which is so important. So this is how you can use this as well, which is generating blog content using NLP. You can see that incorporating image with blog and providing appropriate text can help. In conclusion, ChatGPT. Now you can see that this is my first content, and this is my first content. You can see the content creation, meta tags, and descriptions. So what I'm saying is, with the help of this rule, let's write, and you can see that it should be NLP friendly content. How can ChatGPT used? What role does ChatGPT play in keyword integration? How can ChatGPT enhance meta description page title? Can ChatGPT assist in local search engine optimization? How does ChatGPT contribute to semantic SEO? How can ChatGPT streamline backlink outreach? How can ChatGPT enhance user experience? How does ChatGPT facilitate continuous learning and adaptations? So what I want is, I want you all to go through this content. You can see that local SEO is a paramount for business looking to dominate local search results. ChatGPT can be a valuable asset in creating local specific content and keyword that resonate with local businesses. By generating content that aligns with local search trends and user intent, ChatGPT can significantly enhance local search ranking, drive more for traffic to brick and mortar establishments, and improving online visibility. So what I suggest is, when you write this content, try to use EEAT, which is experience, expertise, authority, interest. Use some infographics, use your own experience, and you can create very good content. You can really create a very good content. It's going to take some time. So just put your expertise, use some images. If you can create some videos, amazing. So try to add value, because there are a lot of chances, because ChatGPT is getting data from the web. So you might find this content plagiarized, but you need to work on it. Keep this in mind. Let me check. Okay, so this is around 1200 word count. So we can always check what is the quality of this content, but it looks good, right? So just try this, which is important. And again, next part is so important, is we can also generate FAQs also for this blog, because FAQ is going to be really important, because you can have you can solve a user's query. At the same time, you can use schemas also. You can use keywords also in FAQs. So even some of times when you search on Google also shows FAQs as well on Google search engine. So what I'm going to do is, so I'm going to write, let's say, write FAQs, frequently asked questions for the above blog. So if I search this, FAQs, now I'm getting some FAQs, frequently asked questions. So what is ChatGPT? So how can ChatGPT, okay, write FAQ for above blog? So I think I need to work on it, because they're converting that semantic SEO. Okay, this is an FAQ, frequently asked question for the above blogs. Okay, you can see that I'm having 10 questions for this specific blog. So this is an FAQ. And I can also find topic clusters also, which is, I can find, let's say, if I'm working on this blog, I need to find which all topics related to this content. So I'm going to let's say 10 nearest, or let's say 5 nearest semantically associated questions for this blog topic. So I'm going to put blog topic, which is this, which is how ChatGPT can help in SEO. So this looks good. So finding some topic clusters as well. Okay, ChatGPT can help in SEO. So let us find some topic clusters. So you can see that these are the topics that people might be asking related to this form of content, which is what are capabilities of ChatGPT in enhancing SEO efforts. How can a language models like ChatGPT contribute to SEO success? What are application of ChatGPT in modern SEO strategies? How does ChatGPT assist in content creation for SEO? Can ChatGPT automate or optimize SEO tasks effectively? Right. So I'm getting some lot of ideas. So if I'm creating this content, I can have all this content as well on my website, and I can have some internal links. And why this is important, because this will give a lot of authority to this blog, because Google knows that if someone is searching for how ChatGPT can help in SEO, these are the search queries that people might looking for as well. So these are some very important topics which are related to this content. And let's say I can write, let's say, so this looks good. This is just an example. So let's say write a blog on which is can effectively help. So can ChatGPT automate an SEO task effectively? So we're talking about how we can automate a ChatGPT or a CEO. This is important. So how we can use it for automations, right? You can see that it's telling me how ChatGPT can help in assist. Nice. So this looks good. So make sure that you go to ChatGPT, try to use these prompts and see what kind of content you're getting. And then you can always have EEAT, which is experience, expertise, authority, and trust. And I'll show you, if I go to Google and search, let's say Google EEAT algorithms, you can see that everything you should know, search engine land, 8 major Google explained. So if I go here, so I can search for EEAT, right? EEAT. So what is Google EEAT? You can see that. So you can see it here. This is our latest guideline. This was published on 15 December 2022. You can see that how we will evaluate our search engine systems are providing helpful, relevant information. Would ordinary people feel the result they get demonstrate EEAT, that is expertise, authorities, and trustworthiness. You can see that you can go through all this, this content. This is just to tell you that whenever you create content, try to add more value. If you're using AI content, try to use EEAT, which is experience, authority, and trust. So make sure we must have EEAT. You can see that EEAT, this is a blog on search engine general, which is experience, expertise, authoritativeness, and trustworthiness. This is important. So you can go through this blog and see, you'll get some, very good insights, what to write, what not to write. But the goal is you need to create some high quality content before you start ranking a Google search engine. You can see that Danny Suville, this is a tweet. We haven't said AI content is bad. Now this is important because a lot of time people ask me, should I write AI content? Should I don't write AI content? So my question to you is, we haven't said AI content is bad. We've said pretty clear content written primarily for search engines rather than humans is the issue, right? So what we do is we don't want to write content for the search engines. We want to write content for the humans, right? That's why we are focused on. If someone fires up 100 humans to write content just to rank, or fires up a spinner AI same issue, right? So if I go to Danny Civilian, you can say this is coming from a tweet, right? So it means Google never said that AI content will not rank, but what is the quality of that AI content, right? And that's why they came up with this algorithm with this, which is EEAT. So this is something that you need to pay attention and just try to add content, right? So content creation is so important. I can also tell you that one concept which is really taking up, shaping up, which is content velocity, which is how fast you are creating content. This is again very important, right? So it also depends on quality of content. Quality plus quantity is obviously going to be a game changer.